Hello everyone, welcome back to our Slay the Spire 2 run. I'm Daryl and we're about to fight our first elite, so let's jump in. Okay, so we are jumping straight in because my computer ran out of space to record, so I had to delete some space, and it's kind of made it so it's jumping straight into the fight. So anyway, let's just jump in. Oh, this is hard. He's doing 17 damage. We have no block at all, so I feel that we need to probably take advantage of our strength. I guess we block here, gain 8. We can maybe block again. This might not be smart though. I'm not sure what this bird does. Birdonis. So I think if we apply 3 vulnerable and then deal 33, we want to kill this bird quickly rather than trying to defend. So let's see how that works. It's going to do 12 damage, so we're already down to 42. Now he's going to do 19. Oh, this is tough. I honestly don't know. I feel like maybe doing damage here is just probably the way. And we just take the 19 damage. I mean, we could just... But, yeah. I was going to say we could do 20 damage now, but that's not going to kill him, so we're still going to take the 19. Because remember, our health follows on even if we win. So, yeah, I think we just... There we go, and he's dead. Cool, our first elite defeated. So, elites are special. They give you more gold, so we get 39 gold. Get a potion, and you get our first, this is where you get relics. So relic is one of these things. So this one says start each combat with 1 strength, which is really good, and that's for the entire game now. So add a card to your deck. Here we go. Bludgeon, deal 32 damage. I mean, that's good. Oh, also you get better cards, I think. Yeah, I think you do. Or more chance of better cards. Gain energy at the start of each turn. That's really good. Or gain 8 block. Gain another 8 block if you exhausted a card this turn. I quite like Bludgeon. It's just so powerful. And if you can make it cheaper, I think you can make it cheaper. Because cards can also be upgraded. Right, and now we have a path, so we can go here and rest or improve a card, or we continue fighting. This seems risky. Like fight, treasure, yeah. Or we go here, yeah, I think we rest, then we go to the shop. Yeah, let's do that way. So you can rest, heal for 30% of your max HP, or upgrade a card in your deck. We've only got 29, so I think we rest. Now we're back up to 53 out of 80. And let's go and fight. Oh, blimey. Okay, they're not... There's 3 of them, but they're not super strong. But they are going to deal 16 damage straight away. But we can literally just kill this guy. Just like Assassin Raider, just destroy him. We could gain 12 block now, but we'll just take the 5 damage. It's fine. Think when you play as the Ironclad, as there's different characters you can play. With the Ironclad, you're just powerful, so you want to be defeating enemies quickly. And you have to just take some damage with that. This is kind of not great now because we don't have many exhaust cards. I guess we'll do this. I don't even know if this is useful. He's going to do 8 and this is going to do 5. Let's just defend it. I don't know if that was good. There are definitely mistakes you can make in this game. Once you get to know the game more, you can see the mistakes you've made. God, we're going to take 20. Okay, we're going to take 20 damage, so we really need to. I think we really need to try and defeat 7. There's also lots of maths if you want to play well. So if we do 7, 14, and then he'll have 10 left. It's just not going to be enough. Maybe this is enough. We'll see. There we go. I mean, we could gain the block now, but I'm not sure. What have we got? We've got another elite up here, and then obviously our big boss man. I think we just take it for now. I don't know. Don't know if that's right. And then we just get to defeat this guy. Cool. Bish, bash, bosh. 19. Got 115. Add another card. So battle trance, draw 3 cards. You cannot draw additional cards this turn. Gain 7 block, exhaust 1 card at random. I do not like this card. Deal 13 damage, apply 1 weak, apply 1 vulnerable. We don't need that many damage cards because we have the 32 bludgeon. This is good. This might be good to get cards that you need. So let's get, and it's free. So let's do that. Go to the treasure room. What's inside? We've got a relic here. Gorget. At the start of each combat, gain 4 plating. Plating at the end of your turn, gain block. Plating is reduced by 1 at the start of your turn. So you start off with 4 and then it gets less, but that's kind of cool. Now we go to the shop. Aha. I always like to look at what's on sale, but it's the card that I don't like. So if we look at the deck, our deck, we've got the bludgeon, which is obviously great for damage. And we've got this, which is good for damage, but we've got nothing for blocking. So we really need blocking cards. So that's attack, that's attack. Yeah, I don't really like any cards here. So instead of getting new cards, we are going to get rid of a strike. So it makes our deck a bit smaller, and that means we get to the good cards quicker, like the bludgeon. Okay, so proceed. This is random. You spot an enormous shambling beast. Chase off an injured green bird. In the alcove the bird fled from, a single unguarded egg lies abandoned. Your stomach gurgles. Gain 7 max HP, so that will take it up to 87. Or add the Badonna's egg to your deck. Unplayable, but can be hatched at a rest site. Let's get the egg, that's more fun. Well, you gently scoop up the egg and stow it, thinking it may hatch into something useful later. Okay. We're going to have a decision soon of whether we try and fight this guy or avoid him. So as you can see, we've now got this. So we've got, at the end of the turn, we gain 4, then we'll gain 3, etc, etc. Yeah, this card is really not very useful for us at the moment. I think we do this just to protect from the 6, and then we'll attack this guy for 19. What did we just get rid of? Wait, does it say? Yeah, it does say exhaust. Kind of missed which one it was. Right, so he's going to take 4 to do 14. Let's gain the 8 to at least protect from some of that. Plus we get the 3. So we can't play this yet. So deal 5 damage and apply 1 vulnerable. But the vulnerable, like, will only last 1 turn. So it's kind of pointless unless I'm going to do more damage. So I guess we'll just do that. I'm not the best player at this. It took me a good 30 hours to win in the first one. But that's why the game's so good. It's just a very well-made game. Let's get some cards, because we kind of want to kill this guy. I think this makes sense. Kill, kill. And then let's just defend versus the rest. So we can do 19. Yeah, thunderclap I don't feel like I'm using a lot. So yeah, maybe that was a mistake to get that. Right. This is definitely a mistake to have in our deck. I think we have to gain some block just to protect ourselves, and then we have 2 left. Let's just whack him for a bunch of damage. That's fine. So the egg card just got exhausted, so it's like out of the fight, which is fine because we're not using it. He's not going to do any damage, so we want to attack him as much as possible, which is not great because we don't really have many attack cards. I guess we just kind of prepare for it. Yeah. He's going to get some extra strength, and we should be able to kill him now. Bing. Bong. There we go. So we get 10 gold, we get energy potion, which just... So we need to start using these because we don't have any more space. Now, lose 3 HP, gain... I think this is good. Deal 5 damage to all enemies X times. Apparently these are good when you have extra strength. And we already have this, so let's gain this one. I mean, let's risk it. Let's risk it. We've only got 35 health. So, let's see. Let's just risk it. Okay, so he's only got 62 health, so that's really good. So we'll get the strength up. He's going to give us like slimy cards, I think. We'll do... If you exhausted a card, yeah, this is terrible for our deck. Let's do this. So I assume he's going to give us like slime cards. Yeah, infection cards, yeah. And he's going to do 16 damage. And we can't... Okay, I think now we block. So we're going to... Because we have no block. And we've still got the big boss fight at the end. We need to not take that much damage. So we'll gain 12 block. And let's just bludgeon. Like, oh, we didn't even need to. No, what a waste. No, what a waste. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, that's so sad. We're just going to kill him straight away. See, bludgeon is so good. But, oh, okay. No, I forgot about this. Okay, it's fine. Although, that's just going to... No, we still wasted it because that's gonna disappear at the end of their turn. It's gonna disappear. Yeah. Okay. So it was still a waste, which isn't. Right. So let's just destroy one of these. We lost a decent card, and I think we need to defend. I mean, we could draw a card, but I don't think we have any cards that are useful. Okay, let's end the turn. So we've got another infection. We block that, and another infection. Okay, and we've got another bludgeon, or we go double defend. I think we just bludgeon. I don't know if that's right, but I think we just kill him. I don't know if I'm playing that correctly, but we just take the 8 damage, or 7 damage, yeah. I don't know. Oh, God. So if he's attacking now, then this guy's going to be attacking later, next turn. So we want to apply vulnerable to him now. I guess we do this. Do we... Yeah, let's draw some cards so we might be able to attack them, yeah. I guess that's it. We take 3 damage. Oh, God. Oh, no. This is not looking great. Oh, that's okay. Okay, so did 11 damage. Apply 2 vulnerable. Oh my God, we're getting him. We're getting killed by the infections. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, well, with 1, we did some healing. We get 44 gold. Ornamental fan. Every time you play 3 attacks in a single turn, gain 4 block. We need block cards. Deal 6 damage. Draw cards until you draw a non-attack card. Deal 9 damage. Increases cards damage by 5 this combat, so it goes to 9 and 14. That's kind of cool. I don't think this card's that good when we haven't got that much energy to use, but we do need some block stuff. Maybe. Or we can skip. Skipping is an option. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. 4 damage just doesn't seem like a lot. But if we get the strike up, then it all helps. Let's just grab that. Right, we're in the shop. We only have 118 gold, so not a lot. We can't afford to get rid of a card. Let's see. None of them seem great. Deal 9 damage. I won't read them all because there's quite a lot, but let's just not. Maybe we do this. Maybe we buy this. This is gain 7 plating. I think we're going to do that because we're about to fight. We're about to go to the big monster dude. I would love to hatch the egg. Or go to the smith, but we need more health for the big boss guy. So, right, here we go. We're going to face the... This might be the end of the run already. I don't feel that my deck is great. Yeah, okay. I guess we're just going to fight it now. Or maybe we'll wait until the next episode. So we'll leave it there. We'll see what happens when we go face the big boss of Act 1. So, until next time, catch you later.